Big Joe! Cheap travels. Travel on a budget. Good morning, guys. So today I will just show you the benefits of having your own kitchen in the accommodation is that you can make your own breakfast there. Here in Spain, you can buy like 4 sausages. That's called chorizo parrillero. Yeah. So they will cost about €2, and 2 of them are enough to make breakfast, you know. For me, it's enough. And I'm a big guy. So you just put them on a plate, like that, and you put this plate in the oven. You just put here, like, ventilator, 200 degrees. You open the oven, everything goes inside, and you have half an hour to do whatever stuff you want. You know, have to wash dishes from yesterday. I made some pasta for lunch, and yeah, that's basically it. Breakfast in 30 minutes. I bought also a mustard, because I like to have mustard with my sausage, and it's called mostaza. Mostaza is mustard in Spain. So that's about €1, €1.50. Well, for whole 14 days it can last you like it did. You see, it's still almost like half, okay, 1/3 left. So yeah, you can go cheap with your breakfast if you rent accommodation with kitchen. And you can also use the fridge, so you can stock up for a few days. You don't have to go to store every day. So that's one of my travel tips videos, let's say. Okay, see you later. Yeah, guys, and here's the result. Don't worry, it always looks like that. But it's easy washable with hot water in 1 minute. So after 40 minutes we have our chorizo done. Just be careful not to burn yourself on the plate, so you leave it like for 5 minutes and chop it up, and you have nice big sausage breakfast. Yeah, with mostaza mustard. And yeah, of course, if I would live in a resort like Puerto del Carmen or Costa Teguise, I saw breakfast there for €2.50, English breakfast. Well, I would go do that, you know. Of course, I wouldn't bother with cooking. But since I'm in suburbs of Arrecife, there are not many options around here, either to go to a shop or this small, let's say them, menzas, cafeterias, and have a sandwich there. Yeah, but I prefer my meat, you know. I'm carnivore. No, I actually like this chorizo sausage is my favorite one, and yeah, you can get it in Spain. So yeah, that's why. So that was Cooking with Joe. Oh, a single guy cooks his lunch, dinner, or breakfast. I like to keep it simple, you know. You buy, you put it on the plate, you put it in the oven, or you boil water, you put something inside, and after so many minutes it's done. Like pasta, you know. I just add, after it's done, I just add a tomato sauce and mix it, and that's it, you know. So it's like 1 minute of work. Somebody may call me lazy. It might be the truth, but yeah. While you're traveling, if you don't eat street food or go out in the restaurants, I like to do my cooking, lazy cooking as I call it. I put it on the stove, I put it in the oven, and then I do other stuff, you know, so I don't lose time. And yeah, that's how I cook during the travels. So that was Cooking with Joe. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel, put a like there, and see you next time.